Hey guys, John, Preordering Technologies here today. I want to talk about pre-ordering the new VH1200P cabinet, which we see here in the middle. This is a 40 by 40 by 40 cabinet. It will come in the base form, which is open loop, and the FL form, which is closed loop. If you guys want to pre-order this machine, we should start delivering in 6 weeks to 8 weeks on this machine. By the time we set up our production processes, start receiving all of our parts, getting our processes together. If you want to pre-order, there will be a major discount on the pre-order, and the price will be going up after the pre-order sale, just to give you a heads up on both models. So if you want one of these cabinets, get in today. We're going to keep the pre-order open for the next 2 to 3 weeks probably. And after that, once we start receiving parts and going into production, the pricing will go up. So if you want one of the first new products that we have here in 2021, the 1200P, then come and grab that. I guarantee you guys, you're gonna love this cabinet. We've had nothing but good success here out of our first original plastic cabinet. We've sold thousands of these things worldwide since 2016. And we anticipate to do the same thing with this cabinet, mainly because it's so much bigger. It's a 40 by 40 by 40. It's the only thing that people struggled with the original plastic cabinet was the size, but it still fits for so many people and so many applications. So we decided to up the game a little bit and go much bigger. The 1000 setting beside it is actually smaller as well. It's only 36 wide, 30 deep, and 38 tall. So you can imagine the size difference between the 1200P and the 1000. But if you do want to pre-order, again, get your order in. There will be major discounts for pre-ordering. There will be a wait time. We no longer have massive extreme wait times for all of our other standard products. But this cabinet, since it's the first of its kind and we do not have parts exactly yet, we're offering a pre-order for you. So get in today while the price is lower, and we will be delivering parts within the 6 to 8 week mark. Thanks for watching.